everybody. It's a new laptop or you buy something with an Apple or a Mac, and the first thing you think is, what should I download on this? So I'm gonna show you a video on the top 10 or 20 apps that you would like to have on your Mac or your Apple. You go and find it, and I have a lot of apps, and most of them are cracked or free or you know. So if you like photography or you're doing it or you're interested, these would be my top three apps. Um, yeah. The Adobe Bridge CS6, the Adobe Extension Manager CS6, and the Adobe Photoshop CS6. Adobe Photoshop CS6 is one of the most important elements of photography if you're a Windows user earlier, and this is a cracked one and it's the latest version. I think it's version 13. So if you like the version, you could Facebook me or Twitter me or email me. I'll put down the links below, and you could do either of the three, and I will send a link to you personally. Another app which is really good is the GarageBand. It's for anything related to music, listening to music, downloading music, making music, so all of that for all the geeks and nerds or whatever smart people that you have out there. I recommend iChess and the Full Deck Solitaire. Every app in my application list is totally free. So if you like a version, you could just, like I said, Facebook me, Twitter me, or email me, and I'll send you the link personally. So these are for the nerd and the geeks and the smart. Then the iTunes. Yes, I do know that the iTunes is already available on whichever Mac or Apple that you buy. But I get my iTunes constantly upgraded. There's an upgrade like almost every 2 days. So yeah. And then another thing what I got was after I shifted from Windows was the Microsoft Office 2011 with the Excel, the Outlook, the PowerPoint, the Word, and obviously the Office. I don't know if it's going to be of much use for the teenagers and the kids, but it's something I do a lot of my projects on, like my notes or PowerPoint presentations. It's one of the most user-friendly and the easiest to use, and I do most of my accounts in the Excel. And this MacX YouTube downloader is the regular to download videos from YouTube, and then it has a part where it automatically converts the videos. So I'll show you. This is the MacX YouTube downloader. As you can see here, you have to add a YouTube URL link. Then you can clear whatever you have, remove all settings, check new version, and once you click this and you put in your URL, you just download now, and you can choose where you wish to download it. There's also a viewer in this, so that's it. And another thing I forgot to say was in Microsoft Word you have this advantage in Mac that you can choose whichever layout you'd like. So there's a lot right now, photo calendar, vertical calendar, advantage letter, capital envelope. So you can customize it anything to basically. So that's a lot of advantages you get. Memo and inkwell proposal and syllabus and lesson plan and checkerboard newsletters and stuff like that. So if you'd like a link to the free version of that, do let me know. Then another thing I have is PDF to text. Most of the documents that I receive through email are always PDFs, so it's best to always convert it to text. And very frankly, if you're a bit involved in the computers, you would know that PDF is one of the toughest documents to work with or to edit or to change something in it. So that's it. Then I have Screencast-O-Matic. It is to record anything on the screen of the Mac or the Apple or whatever that is you have. I have it's free. I got every app in my application list is free. I have Stickies. to keep reminding me, and my Mac is always on because I keep doing work on it. So it's best to have a stickies. And I have a VLC because when you convert everything from Windows to Mac, most of the things seem to work on VLC, and the QuickTime Player takes a lot of time generally to load big files. And I have the Wondershare video editor. I just now downloaded it. It's to download your videos if you're involved in photography or you keep uploading your videos on some social networking site. And it's Automator. Sorry, I forgot to tell you about the Automator. It is an app that converts when you download something, most of them are in zip file if it's a document or if it's a font or if it's something from a torrent sometimes. So Automator automatically extracts all the files from a zip archive, and he just it just gets back onto your downloaded here, which is downloaded is here. And I have a font book to view my fonts, to edit them. I will be uploading a video. My next video will be on how to create your own fonts without using internet or to be able to pay something. And you can just edit your fonts the way you want, make your own fonts. You can even capitalize your fonts permanently. And I'm gonna give you a very simple trick on how to install fonts into your BlackBerry. So subscribe, and I will upload a video in a day or two. So, and yeah, this is Microsoft Communicator, because most of my communications are online and stuff. So I do have Skype here. Some of them are in downloads. So this is Skype. You have to generally pay for Skype, but I did not. I again got that cracked. And for those idiotic game lovers, I'm also an idiotic game lover. So I have Need for Speed cracked. I have Need for Speed Shift cracked. I have a lot cracked. I have Odin on how to crack your Apple or Mac in like just seconds. You don't have to go through the stupid download of 3-4 apps just to crack it. I have an AppWorld installer for BlackBerry, and I have a lot. I have a case for Samsung. So for all those, and everything is free. You generally have to pay for half of this. But I got this cracked, and I actually like programming, which is really weird. So I got all of this cracked through myself on my own. Then a BitTorrent, because everything free is just available on torrents, and I thought this is the best torrent. It downloads everything faster, believe it or not, and it does save everything. So you don't get those little pixels when you're watching it or playing a game or whatever it is. So these are my top apps, and I hope you like the video. And do not forget, I am going to bring up other videos regarding the BlackBerry or computer, and believe it or not, even fashion. So please subscribe, and please follow me on Twitter and Facebook, and email me, and I will help you out with the links. And in my next video, I will be giving away BlackBerry covers for free. I will be shipping it to wherever you stay for free, and I will be teaching you how to download and make your own fonts on your BlackBerry without paying anything or without using the internet. Thank you. Bye.